So you see this exponent right here? See how this is j, so it's j to the negative 7. This minus has nothing to do with a negative. Now it's kind of weird, but this does not mean negative in any way in terms of like putting a negative in front of the answer. So what this means instead, you're watching? Okay. What it means instead is this, like if I just write the letter J just by itself, if I write J by itself, is J like in the numerator or denominator? Like this guy right there. Like is the denominator the one on top or the bottom? Yeah. So how about the number? Well, no, that's wrong. It's in the numerator. No, I know, but I didn't put anything up here yet, see? I just put J by itself. So I'm not doing this problem. Like I could have just been like A. Is A in the numerator or denominator? Numerator, because it's the same thing as A over 1. Okay. So if I write A to the negative 2, you could think of when you have a negative power as it being like improper, like unhappy. And in order to make it happy, you have to put it in its opposite upstairs, downstairs location. So A to the negative 2 is automatically upstairs. In order to make it happy, you bring it downstairs, and then you can get rid of the negative and make it regular power of 2. But there's also invisible ones like here. So you still have a 1 on top. So it's 1 over A squared. So what if I had like K to the negative 3? What's that going to be? It's going to be equal to 1 over K3. What if I had 1 over V to the negative 2? Well, that's unhappy because it has a negative power. So how do you? Where would it be? Upstairs or downstairs? So you don't have to put over 1 because there's nothing down there. So just V to the 2. All right. Now for a much harder one. Okay. What if I had C to the negative 3, V to the 2 over Z to the negative 3, no, to the negative 7. And you just have to deal with one at a time, and it's multiplication between them, like that. All right, so is this C to the negative 3 happy? So how do we make it happy? Put it downstairs. So then it becomes C to the power of what? Good. And then we took care of that. Now is V squared happy? Yep, leave it there. V squared's good. How about Z to the negative 7? Oh, wait, Z to the what? Like this? You make it positive 7. And that's it. And then we took care of all that. Everything has positive powers, so the answer is done. Alright, so it says express your answer using positive exponents. Wait, this is exactly what we just did, by the way. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, okay, so look. Actually. Okay. So if you had, let's do like F, that's an ugly F. If you had F squared times F to the third, what is that answer going to be? It is not, but that's what it seems like it would be. Yeah, you have to add the powers. So when you multiply, you add the powers, but what if you had something like this, like A squared, are you watching? Times B to the third. What would that be? You're not watching. No. They can't talk to each other because they don't have the same base. What's the base? Yeah, the A and the B. The A and the B are bases. They don't have the same base. Right? So you have to have the same base. So what if I did B cubed times B to the 7th? What would that be? And what if I did C squared times g to the 8th. What would that be? No, because the bases are different. Wait, no, wait. Remember we did this one over here? Because you can't do it. The answer is this. It's a squared times b cubed. They can't talk to each other. Why can't they talk to each other? Because they don't have the same base. Remember, it's all about the base. Okay, so if you have, watch this. I need your full attention. V to the negative 6 times V to the negative 3 times V to the negative 7th. First of all, are these guys happy? You watching? Are they happy? So how do you make them happy? Okay, and what do you get? Wait, but what do we put in the bottom? Before you multiply them, what do you get in the bottom? V to the what? Oh no, V to the 6 times V to the what? Times V to the what? Now you add them. It becomes 1 over V to the 16th miss. I just saw the answer, so I'll just tell you the answer that I just saw. Okay. You got it? Alright, try the next one. Okay, you watching? Alright, this is I'll just wait for you to be ready. So, if you have 3 squared to the power of 3, this right here is a power. And this right here is a power. And when you have a power of a power, you multiply. That's the rule. Power, you multiply. Alright, you ready? Well, this is an important rule. Here, just listen. It takes 2 seconds. Alright, what is 4 to the power of 0? Nope, it's 1. What is 100 to the power of 0? 1. What is b to the power of 0? Yep, anything to the power of 0 is 1. Alright, so it still work with this problem, but if you have m to the negative 1 times, what is m to the power of 0? 1 times m to the negative 7. Alright, so that you don't really need that. Well, how do you make this happy? Like, how do you solve this problem? Alright, so if you want to do it that way, you can. M0 on top, and then you have m to the what on the bottom? Wait, negative 7 on the bottom? 7, and what else is on the bottom? Well, what about the m to negative 1? Wait, m to negative 1 goes up high like that? Oh yeah, I'm gonna start over. Tell me what do I write? What do I write on the top? What goes on the top? Okay, what goes on the bottom? Is it possible that we cut out and I didn't hear what happened to m to the 1? M to the negative 1? Could be. What happens to m to the negative 1? That's what okay, look, I'm gonna back up. Watch the screen. You said right here, you said stays on top. And you say this goes on bottom. Because this m to the negative 1 is unhappy. Wait, it is, hold on. I said, no, but what is m to the negative 1? No. This is unhappiness right here. Unhappiness? Wait, what? Hold on. Let's go over the rule again. Okay, watch. Yes, you did. And then afterwards, I asked you about m to the negative 1, and you're like, it stays on top. And then I'm like, yes, you did. But that's what you said. And you're like, Steve! So I'm like, okay. Okay, so here we go. We got m to the 0 on the top. What's on the bottom? So m no, just m to the 1 times m to the 8, right? I mean 7, like that, right? So our final answer, kind of, not really, is m to the 0 over what? M to the 8. And if you type this in, you're going to get it wrong. Okay, so what is m to the 0? What is m to the 0? 1, yeah. So it's 1, yeah, 1 over m to the 8. All right, so fractions with exponents. Do I have your attention? All right. So let's say, need you watching? Okay, here we go. Let's say you have a. First of all, you got to make it all happy, which I'm pretty sure you did. But then you got to deal with it from there. So let's say you have a to the 10 over a to the 14th. Right? So you remember when you multiply, you add. So let's say you had a to the 10 times a to the 14. What do you get when you have a to the 10 times a to the 14th? When you have a to the 10 times a to the 14th. A to the 24th. Okay, what'd you do? What'd you do? Wait. You just told me the answer, and you don't know what you did. I'm losing you. You're drawing a flower. Okay. What did you do to get 24? Thank you. So when you multiply, what do you do? When you have to multiply the bases, you add the powers. Good. All right. When you divide with same bases, you subtract the powers and go top minus bottom. Okay? Okay, so top minus bottom though. So you're gonna go a to the power of 10 minus 14. So a to the power of what? 10 minus 14. Negative 4. Oh, but wait a minute. What? I said from top to bottom. Okay. So what is a to the minus 4? You gotta fix it. That's unhappy. Boom. All right. Now you're ready. Go. Wait. Keep going. Keep going. Don't lose this awesome momentum. You have momentum. Do you stop when you have momentum? No. I'm pretty sure that's a dance thing. You do not stop when you have momentum. Okay. All right. So what? So we have s to the negative 70 times s over s. All right. What operation is going on right here? What operation is going on right here? Right here. No. I try to know what's going on right here. Multiplication. And we only have one thing on the bottom, right? So what if I had x, y over y? If I had x, y over y, do you know how to simplify that? Okay, well, you can go like that. What's that answer? What's just x, right? Since you're multiplying right here, watch. You can do this. All right, if you do that, what do you get? S to the negative 70, and that's the same thing as what? We totally know this. 1 over S70. Put it in. Put it in. Put it in. You don't have to go. You want to go, but that's okay. No, you want to, but that's you've worked plenty, and I'm very proud of you. And I know you want to go, and I respect that. Bye.